Oh my god. What did I do just now, Lee?
Right.
I'll give him a tip.
That one fucking shouting up my hair now.
Oh, that was the best.